No, no, no. Come on. Rebecca, let's go. Rebecca, come on. You don't need to leave those keys over there. Come on. Rebecca. You think Daddy needs some more Pepsi? You do. Oh, you think he needs a whole lot? I don't think so. No, no, no. I know. But we don't need all that. Come on, let's go. Where are you going? That way? Okay. Can you blow kisses? Rebecca. No, no. Come on. Can you say bye-bye? Rebecca. Rebecca. Say bye-bye. Blow kisses.